We will persevere.
What humanity I knew,
Shurelaron.
I've long forgotten. For me, eternity is nothing but a short while.
What's your savings goal this year? Emergency fund? Your first home? A new car? OCCU is the credit union that helps you ignite the possibility with Ignite Savings. The Ignite Savings account is perfect for new savers because it pays a higher interest rate on the first $500, even if you open the account with as little as $1. Ignite Savings is another way OCCU invests in its members. Learn more about opening your account at myoccu.org/ignite. Today's banking should be as easy as using your favorite app, and it is with MyOCCU online and mobile banking. Make deposits, transfer funds, and pay bills. MyOCCU online and mobile banking is secure and simple to navigate. It's banking at your fingertips, and there are 2 easy ways to get started. Sign up for online banking at myoccu.org/enroll or download the MyOCCU mobile app to your phone or tablet.
You've got a great idea. You know it'll work, but nobody else believes in you. Would you open 19 credit cards to make it happen? Tito Beverage did, and now we're drinking Tito's Handmade Vodka. It's 100% corn and certified gluten-free. Tito's Handmade Vodka, distilled and bottled in Austin, Texas, 40% alcohol by volume or 80 proof. Crafted to be savored responsibly.
If you want an SUV that's on the move like you, check out the first ever Encore GX. It's finally here, and it offers advanced tech features to help you make your fast-paced life look easy. Visit Buick.com for great offers on the Encore GX.